Hello my dear student, in the previous video we have discussed about the types of charges and we have also discussed that the same charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. And there is also force of attraction present between a charged body and uncharged body. When there is a charged body and uncharged body, there is force of attraction. Okay. Now we will discuss about the types of charges present on the different object and how these charges are acquired by the different object. The charges are of two types. This idea came from the fact that when we rubbed glass rod with the silk cloth, you can see in the picture that we are rubbing the glass rod with the silk cloth. In this picture, the silk cloth acquired the negative charge. The silk cloth acquired the negative charge and the glass rod is having the positive charge. You can see here in the picture, the positive charge is on the glass rod and the negative charge on the silk cloth. And also the electric charge produced by them is the static electric charge, beta ji, because the charge is remain on the bodies, on the glass rod as well as on the silk cloth. But when this charge move, we have already discussed, it is called the current. The charge present on the body is called the static charge, and when it move, it is called the current. Now we will study about the transfer of charge. To study the transfer of charge, we have to perform an activity. You have taken an empty jam bottle or any glass bottle and you have taken a cardboard. You can see in the diagram. The cardboard must be bigger in size and you have to place that cardboard on the mouth of bottle. Then you have to, there must be a hole, you have to do a hole on that, and then insert a metal paper clip on that. You have to, like you can see in the diagram, you have to make it like this. Now you have to take two strips of aluminum foil. You use it at your home for wrapping the food. You can see these are the aluminum strips and you have to hang them on this paper clip. You have to make like this, the metal strip, metal rod you have taken, metal wire you can take, then you have to hang the aluminum strip on that. Then you have to take a charge refill. You can charge it with the help of woolen cloth, or you can also take a glass rod. You have seen earlier glass rod you have rubbed with the silk cloth. Any charge object you have to take, beta. आपने कोई भी charge object लेना है, then you have to touch that charge body. It may be a refill or it may be a glass rod, and you have to touch that on the paper clip, this metallic clip which is made up of metal. Now you have to observe what will happen. You will see that these strips which were earlier, I am just showing, you have to hang, you have hang the clip like this, the strip like this. When you have touched the charge object over here, you will see after that you will observe that the strip move away from each other. The distance, the gap between the strip, earlier it was like this, now they are like this. What it show? What it shows that the charge which is transferred from this charge body to two arms of this strip, aluminum strip, is same. The charge which is present on this refill or on the glass rod is transferred through this conductor. Metals are conductor. Through this metal wire it reaches to the aluminum foil. That aluminum is also a conductor, but the charge is same. That's why the repulsion occurs, the strips move away from each other. You can easily see in the diagram. What we have concluded from this activity, when a charge refill is brought near the paper clip, the charge from the clip transfer to the metal foil. You can see as both the strips acquire the same charge, that's why they repel each other and they move away from each other. Again, the conclusion that the same charge repel each other. Now what you have to do, you have to touch the charge paper clip with your hand. अब आप क्या करेंगे, जो पेपर क्लिप है, दिस इज द पेपर क्लिप, You have to touch that paper clip with your hand. You will notice that that foil will again come its to original position like this. It will come, it will now not repelled, they will come again to its original position. Why? Because when you have touched the metal clip with your hand, the charge will come to your hand, that charge will transfer to your hand, and from your hand it will reach to the earth, it will transfer to the earth, and this foil, the strips of foil become discharged. So in this way you can see the charge transfers through conductor, and ultimately it reaches to the earth. The process of transferring charge from charged body to earth is called the earthing. The process is called the earthing. Now beta ji, now we come to a device which we use to detect the charge on the bodies. That is called the electroscope. Electroscope is a device which is used to detect the charge on the body. It is like the same which we have done earlier. You can see it is a metallic jar, and here also we have the aluminum foil is there, the metal wire, and here it is a cork cover on the mouth and metallic foil. In the same way earlier we have done, if we touch any charged body to this metallic, you can see this metal part or metal knob, the charge will transfer to the aluminum foil, strips of aluminum foil through this copper wire, and this is called the electroscope. This device is used to detect the charge on the body. It is called the electroscope, through which we can study the transfer of charge. So beta ji, by the electroscope we can detect the presence of charge on the body. So now we will do the lightning and thunder in the next video beta ji. You have to read the chapter up to the electroscope, and the transfer of charge you have to do yourself. You have to draw the diagram also from the book, and you have to read the chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.